Wondering if your SaaS business should charge sales tax? Let's break down the basics of what you need to know in this video. I'm Marco with Abaca Tax, and we help businesses collect, file, and remit their sales tax on time and accurately. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. It's a subscription-based software that users access online through the cloud. Unlike digital products like ebooks or standalone software, where you own the product outright after purchase, SaaS is more like renting access to the software and you don't own it. SaaS doesn't require local installation and is continuously updated by the provider. 3 factors decide whether SaaS is taxable. Nexus. Does your company have a physical or economic presence in the state? SaaS state tax definitions. Does the state classify SaaS as tangible personal property, digital goods, or a service? Method of delivery. Is the software downloaded or transferred in tangible media like a disk? For example, in California, if the software is downloaded and transferred to the customer in a tangible media like a CD or hard disk, it is taxable. But if there's no tangible media transferred to the customer, then it's an exempt service. These rules are different for different states and may be taxable regardless of how SaaS is delivered. SaaS is typically taxed based on how it's classified by each state. In some states, it's treated as a digital product, which means it's taxed similarly to other electronically delivered products. Other states classify SaaS as a service, which may be exempt from tax. Additionally, some states treat SaaS like tangible personal property, taxing it as if it were tied to physical goods. Each state has different rules, generally falling into these categories. States that tax SaaS, like New York, where it's treated as tangible property. States that exempt SaaS, like California and Florida, where it's seen as a non-taxable service. Some states also let local governments set their own rules. In Colorado, SaaS is exempt statewide but could be taxed at the city level. Once you determine whether you need to pay sales tax, register for a sales tax permit in states where SaaS is taxable. Collect the correct sales tax for each taxable transaction based on the customer's location. File returns and remit the collected tax according to each state requirements. We're focusing on U.S. sales tax, but if you're selling internationally, many countries apply taxes like VAT to SaaS. You may need to register for VAT or similar taxes based on your sales volume or where your customers are. Juggling tax rules can be a lot. Let us take taxes off your hands and save you from future headaches. Our Abaca Tax professionals file returns and pay millions in tax every month on behalf of sellers. We can help you stay compliant by filing taxes directly with the states. Just contact us in the link below.